Alright, today I did the serpentine belt, but we're gonna replace, since I have more time today, hopefully you can see, so we're gonna replace pulley number 1 right here. We're gonna replace pulley number 2 over here. We're gonna have to retake off the belt, obviously. And then we're gonna try to replace the tensioner. I haven't done it on a Ford before, but everything I've seen on the internet is just 3 10mm bolts. That comes out, and then those are, I think, 14. Cover it in my pocket. $13. Yeah, so they're 113, 113, 310s. So I sprayed them earlier, so hopefully it shouldn't be too bad. But yeah, let's see how that goes. Alright, we're gonna see. So to actually loosen it, you can need a 1/2-inch ratchet breaker bar. Let's use a breaker bar. I'm gonna push down. Hopefully you see it still. But that's essentially how you loosen it. So I'm just put the camera down and try to get it. Oh, that's kind of perfect. So loosen that. Take it off. Bam. And now we have our serpentine off. So we got to do that. Let's take this guy out. And then leave it this way. Take it out. I guess I just get it out the way actually. Leave it where it is. So now we're going to crack open these guys. 13 now. Yeah. So are they viewable? Oh yeah. So kind of shitty angle, but we'll do the left one first. We'll try that one, and then we'll go to that one. So, sorry for the angle, but that's all I got. God damn it, that was a good one. So I'm gonna take it off completely. I could look at the new one side by side. Oof, I'll change the angle in a minute, but this is the best I can do right now. So get that one out, that one out, and now we can see how they look. So I took it out. Sorry, I took it out facing this way. So we have the new one right here. So it looked the same for the most part, but the belt was squealing, so I changed that earlier, and now I'm just cleaning up every other part. Okay, Sorry, my dogs are barking. So this is the old one. This is the new one. This is the part number I got from Rock Auto. So it came with two of these, one right there, and the tensioner. So this is just a 13 mil right there, pop right out. So not too, I mean, it's kind of worn, definitely worn, but it was still functioning. So I'm gonna just keep these as my emergency backup ones. But now I'm gonna put this one back on and we'll see how that looks. Okay, so this is gonna be a little bit shitty. Sorry for the crappy angle, but I don't really have another way to hold it. So this is gonna go right there. And then put that one in right there. Bam. Hopefully that can be seen. Just gonna put a hand tight right now. Now, just going to tighten it a little bit more. Just snug. I think the torque is 13 or no, I think 18 foot-pounds. So I'm gonna go right there. That should be close to 18. I'll just check it later. Definitely spinning. So good for that one. Now we're moving to this one. Okay, and this one is gonna be the same thing. Put it on. Break it. Bring it back. Take this guy out. And I guess you could do it from top of your car. Pretty short, so I'm doing it from the bottom. Old. And then this could be this guy's replacement right here. So should I put this right? There we go. So this is the old one. You can tell. Pretty worn. Not making too much noise, not too bad. Let's get a better one. This is the newer one. This is part number. Again, same thing as the other box. And then sequences, place it this side. Pop, boop, boop. Pop it in. It's a 13 mil. So, retry that. Again, forgive for the very shitty angle. But, you gotta do what you gotta do. So, what's going on now? So now, we have a new belt. We have 2 new pulleys. And then hopefully we'll have a new tensioner. And once again, all of this stuff. Well, the belt was actually really fucked and squeaking big time. So, I have the belt as an emergency. But everything else that I'm going to keep as an emergency isn't too bad. But it's nice to just have a whole set of new stuff. So, all right, now this guy. So, probably gonna do one, take a little break. Another one, take another little break. Rinse and repeat. So, this is on. Don't want to do that. So, one. Two. Hopefully you can still see where I'm at. I can even see where I'm at. 3, there we go. God damn it. I'll use my secret weapon. 1 second. Okay, yeah. Take it out. Jesus Christ. What the fuck? Okay, what the hell's going on? No, why'd I do that? Two. Alright, moment of truth. Hopefully it is just these three. Call it a day. Alright, I'm gonna do it right now. Oh shit, that would have fucking sucked. Oh, well, for pride side, it was only those. Wow, that's cool. So, I got 1, 2. Wow, the other one came over here. So now we have all 3 bolts. Wow, this one is dusty and crusty. And noisy, but it functions. Cool. Let me get a better view. And now, this on top, you guys can see. Or, yeah. So for the new one, this is going to be number. Once again, everything was rock auto. It was just a hit. So, no shit. Nothing else. So old one. Holy shit. I wonder if I could have just changed the pulley. Wow. New one. Cool. So. Fuck. Yeah. This is this one. This is this one. This is where your 1/2 inch bait goes in. And wow, at least they're both metal. But this one, yeah. Wow. Damn. Cool. So, alright, forgive me, but this is gonna be a pain in the butt. I'm gonna start it, then I'll resume the video. Awesome. Alright, we are back. So, I didn't even realize how tight that clearance is. But, damn. But, alright, I just pretty much timed them until they stopped. And that's what I did for all 3 of them. So, I get an angle. So, 1 here, 1 here, and then 1 here. All 10 mil. So, new belt. So now I'm just gonna put everything back together because it's kind of hard to do with one hand, and then show you how it rubs. Okay, we are back. Woo, kind of pain in the butt, but it's gonna be